Hi everybody. Today we are going to see about washing machine, the parts of the washing machine, the maintenance and cleaning tips of washing machine. The main parts of the washing machine are water pump, drain pipe, water inlet valve, tub or drum, agitator or pedals, motor, circuit board, timer, control panel, heating element. Now we will see one by one. This is the water pump, drain pipe, water inlet valve, tub or drum, agitator, pedals, motor, circuit board, timer, control panel, heating element. This is found in certain washing machine. Before cleaning the washing machine, care should be taken. Follow the instruction given in the washing machine. If you don't know how to clean, contact the customer care service. If you are technically good, you can start cleaning your washing machine. Switch off the washing machine, unplug the wire, then you can start opening. This is an LG washing machine. I am unscrewing the center panel. You can remove this. You can see large amount of dirt is there. So if it is continuously there, your washing machine won't clean the clothes properly and it may also damage the entire system. So frequently you have to clean this. You can see how much dirt is inside this washing machine. It may be the soap powders or it may be the dirt which is settled in the bottom of this washing machine. So you can clean this with a wet cloth. You can see how much dirt is there. Slowly you can clean this. You can see here there are two holes which will drain the water. You can see this is the hole number one and you can see there will be another hole. Yeah, it is there. You can see the hole is also covered by lot of dirt. Clean all those things. You can use toothbrushes to clean and cloths. So you can clean the entire system. Clean the cover using water. After cleaning, you can see the small holes where that was covered. It is cleaned and it is looking perfect. Now you can fix this into the washing machine. This looks clean. Now let us fix. Now you can insert the screw and tighten it. Now you can close the top plastic item over there. Now it is perfect. Now let us remove this knob. Use shaving brush to clean the dust particles inside this. You can see all the dust will be removed. You can also use this brush for cleaning the holes. You can see large amount of dirt is inside this system. Use tap water to clean. Use brushes to clean. You can remove this and you can start cleaning using tap water. Once you have cleaned, fix this inside the washing machine. Now you have to clean the filters, that is the inlet hose filters. You can see this orange color filter is there. It will have large amount of dirt, sand, everything will be there. Clean this using brushes. Once you have cleaned, your water inflow will be very quick. Now once again I am fixing this in the washing machine. Attach the inlet hose. Next we will see about tub clean. Tub clean keeps your washing machine in optimal performance. Use tub clean every 30 days. Now we will see how to do tub clean program. There are many options. You select tub clean option in the washing machine. You can see this is tub clean. After clicking tub clean, click start. This will be running for 2 hours. Tub clean keeps your washing machine in optimal performance by removing detergent buildup and other residue and keep your washing drum nice and clean. You can see here after tub clean the entire washing machine is clean and you can see lot of residue and detergent built up. You can use cloths to clean it. How much residue is there? So you can see the outlet hose, you can see lot of residue which is cleaned by the tub clean option. For more videos like this, subscribe our channel Educrawl. You can forward this video to all your friends and relatives. During this COVID period, these types of videos will be very useful to them. Please share. Thank you.